Giddy up! Whee! Nice.
Your turn. Oh, Karen, do it now.
Okay, hold on.
No, last horse is yours. No, get on the horse. Oh, the tail's going up my ass.
My ass fits fine on this horse.
Oh God, I'm sorry to hear that.
You're not even riding a horse, you're riding a fucking chicken.
Yay! That should have been Angelina's.
Ride the cock, baby, ride the cock.
They're so gonna go kiss now. Okay, that's good.
Oh God. Ow.